I'm Dr. Karuna Prasad. I'm from the Pentecostal Assembly School in Bokaro, Steel City, Jharkhand. We've been with SOF for very many years. I think I can remember from 2011 at least. Well, I find that for a school that is in a small town, to be with SOF gives my children a great international exposure. You know, they feel good that they are competing on an international platform. And of course, the way the logistics are handled and everything is done so smoothly with SOF that it's absolute pleasure to work with this team. Our school, almost all the students participate in it and they're very excited about it, and it gives a big boost to their competitiveness. Well, there is, of course, the sense that you are acknowledged as a teacher and as a principal for doing the work that you're doing, for giving, confidence to the children. So it's not just for the students, it's also for the teachers, a very big incentive, and for principals, an acknowledgement of what they are doing. So I think it's a wonderful platform altogether. Well, I have a very clear message. I think you're losing out and your kids are losing out, because this is a great international platform that will allow children from every sector to compete at an international level, just to get out of their little well and know what the competition is out there.